Hey everybody, Jem Schofield here with the C47 and another episode of Gearbox here in the studio space to give you guys an update. The next time I shoot in here with Raghu, I think we'll be done, right? We should be pretty close. Yeah, so about a week later, a little less than a week, well, about a week later, and Rob and Raghu have been furiously working on the space. And obviously we have sheetrock up here. This is the wiggle board. It's going to get one more coat of mud and then sanding. And as you can see, it's very, very smooth. And then it goes to the sheetrock over there. I'm going to have Ron tilt up to the ceiling so you guys can see some of his handiwork. So we have a whole grid system here, which is almost all laid out now. And we have 1-inch iron pipe that is going right into the studs. And that is going to be obviously used for hanging lights. And then I'm going to have you just stay right there for a second, Raghu, and I'll be right back. So over here, this is the other thing besides paint that's going to go on the ceiling. This whole space is going to get painted a neutral gray color. And then at the end, once it's painted, we're going to actually put this rail system up. And the rail system, I'm just going to lay it down on the ground here so you can get a kind of sense of what this is going to look like, but it'll be turned the other way around. It's got grooves in it, and this will run all the way down to there. Around, there'll be a curve, it'll go down there, there'll be another curve, and it'll come down the other side of the room. Initially, we're going to put two 9x20 black backdrops on it, and those will actually go around, and we can use that for blacking out or as an alternate background. But most of the time, this curved background is going to be the background for shooting. Other stuff that's pretty cool, I'm just going to go over, I'll go over here. So if Ron pans over to these windows here, watch your, yeah, you're cool. You'll see we've got these hooked up here. This is Rob's handiwork. And having a master carpenter in here has been a godsend. And you'll see that each one of these windows, and there's 4 of them in all, have this system to actually black out the space. So the whole goal of a studio space is to be able to shoot at 3 o'clock in the morning or 3 o'clock in the afternoon and still get the same stuff. What we might do is we might wrap that with Duvetine so that we can get a really, really tight seal on the windows when we're shooting. You have any other comments to that, Raghu?
Yes, I mean, there's a few different approaches, but yeah, that's the idea.
That may be one. We may do something else. We're still sorting that out. Crap in the middle of the room and Rob coming in. And under that plastic right there, that's the key to the castle. We'll do that reveal when the space is ready. That's the important part. And I'll see you guys next time on Gearbox.